The first thing I'm gonna do is paint my pot. Now this is an optional step. You don't have to paint yours. I just wanted to paint mine because I thought it would look cuter. So I painted my pot with some homemade chalk paint I had, and I let it dry. So now that my pot is the color I want, I'm going to stick this floral foam into my pot. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I also got this artificial moss at the Dollar Tree. These are both in the flower section. Really cheap, so that's great. I want to stick my moss over my foam. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to take all your toothpicks and you're going to stick them into your foam eggs. Continue to do this with all your foam eggs until you are done. Then you just want to stick those foam eggs into your pot and arrange the eggs how you want them to look in there. I think it probably took me a little bit, and I rearranged several times until I liked the way it looked. I got these flowers at Hobby Lobby. They're pretty cheap with a coupon, and I'm just going to cut the flowers off the stems and then stick them into my pot in between the eggs. Just arrange them however you think is aesthetically pleasing to your eye. Next, I'm going to take my hemp cord and I'm just going to use some hot glue to make sure that it stays on my pot there. And I'm just going to wrap it around a couple times and then tie it. And then we are all finished with our little eggplant. I like to call it my eggplant. And you are ready to put it up for Easter decor. I just love this project. I think it's so easy and fun, and it's the perfect Easter decor. If you like my video, please give my video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY ideas.